How to get Mint account number and PIN. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can get our Mint mobile account number and PIN. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to get your mobile account number, you need to get you need to follow the steps. So you can go to your web, or you open your mobile account on your app, and after that just type in your login, and you can find your account number address at the very first piece on your account current bill, and you can find it at the top right corner of the bill in your online account portal. After that, in order to get your password or PIN, you must contact your support team via chat or by calling at the given number. So by following that method, you can get your account number of Mint and your PIN. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.